wood. Actually, thanks for interrupting because it's full. I need to drain. Come on over. I'll show you. Yeah, all the water is in here.
Yeah.
Along with the dirt accumulates at the bottom.
Okay.
This is a drain hose attached to another like siphon with a cage around it. And yeah,
cool.
we pull this plug.
Yeah.
Drains out all the water from the top. You can see it going. It's sucking right down.
Oh wow.
And then
Pretty cool.
yeah.
Well, thank you for showing us.
Hey, thanks for stopping by.
All right. That's cool though. That's cool. That's a cool